If you're not seeing a second physical SIM slot on your Galaxy S26 Ultra and are wondering if something's wrong, don't worry. In many cases, it's completely normal. Let's see why it happens and how you can still use dual SIM on your S26. Now, in many countries, the S26 Ultra comes with two physical SIM slots, but in some regions, especially the US model, the phone usually has only one nano SIM slot. So if you only see one SIM tray, that doesn't mean your device is missing anything. But the good news is you can still use dual SIM on your phone. Along with the physical SIM slot, S26 also supports eSIM. To use it, first you gotta contact your mobile carrier, ask them to convert your physical to eSIM. They will usually give you a QR code or an activation code. Once you receive that, open Settings on your phone, go to Connections, then tap SIM Manager. Now we got two physical SIMs in here. You might be looking at one physical SIM in here, and also you will see the option to add eSIM. Tap on it, scan the QR code or enter the activation code provided by your carrier, follow the prompts, and the eSIM will be added to your device. We actually have a detailed video how to activate eSIM. If you want, you can check that out. After adding the eSIM, you can use one physical SIM and one eSIM together, which means you still get dual SIM functionality even if your phone has only one physical SIM slot. And that's how you can easily use dual SIM on your Galaxy S26 Ultra. Thanks for watching.